What if I told you that you could create professional marketing videos without a camera, without actors, and without spending hours editing? It sounds unbelievable. So I decided to test it myself using Nextify AI. Check this out. Nextify AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform that combines talking AI avatars, product videos, UGC ads, custom voiceovers, B-roll generation, app showcases, and more. Rather than just talking about the platform, I'm going to challenge myself to create a complete advertisement from scratch using only Nextify AI. So stay with me while I blow your mind with this powerful AI tool. To get started, you need an account. Click the link on the description to sign up first on Nextify.ai. When you sign up, you receive 30 free credits, plus another 30 credits after starting your first generation task. After sign up, log into your dashboard.
Take a look at this elegant set of 3 decorative round stands. They feature a gold finish and intricate cutout detailing with a raised design. Each piece comes in a different size, making them easy to layer or display together. If you want a stylish touch for your space, this set stands out beautifully.
If I told you I didn't record this video myself, would you believe me? Keep watching because this completely changed how I make marketing videos. No expensive equipment, no camera shyness. Just type your script and boom, you get a studio quality video with perfect lip sync in seconds. It's insane.
Check this out. Nextify AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform that combines talking AI avatars, product videos, UGC ads, custom voiceovers, B-roll generation, app showcases, and more. Rather than just talking about the platform, I'm going to challenge myself to create a complete advertisement from scratch using only Nextify AI. So stay with me while I blow your mind with this powerful AI tool. To get started, you need an account. Click the link on the description to sign up first on Nextify.ai. When you sign up, you receive 30 free credits, plus another 30 credits after starting your first generation task. After sign up, log into your dashboard.
So here on your dashboard, you will see lots of features that are available for you to use. You can see create a video ad, listing images, viral cloning, avatar videos, which just saw me create. Okay, so based on this video, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be trying out the e-commerce advertising feature. Okay, but it will also involve the avatar video. Okay, so I will have to use an avatar that talks about the video that the image that I will upload to it. So if you go to this tools section, you see lots of videos that are available here that you can actually clone for yourself. Okay, so there are amazing features that you can use here. You can see avatar tools, image tools. Okay, you can actually go to any template that you want. You can choose any template here and recreate it. Okay, so we're going to be using this avatar. Okay, so we use this avatar tool and then create an advertisement for the avatar. Okay, so this is an example of take a look at itself. So how I did that is, let's go back to our home and then click on listing images. Okay, so we're going to be using this UGC product video. So once you've selected that, okay, so you are going to first of all select an actor. You can decide to choose or upload your own avatar. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to choose any available avatar here. Okay, so you can create your own avatar or choose from the avatar library. Okay, so these are existing avatar that you can choose from. So these are existing avatar you can choose from. Very realistic avatars. So we won't be using. Okay, so let's just go ahead and use. This. It looks so good for gym instruction tools. Okay, I want to use anyone for baking. Okay, so this is good. Let's choose this. Okay, so that is good. It looks good in a baking cloth. So let's upload the same image that we used for the previous video. Okay, so I have so I'm searching for videos, images to upload rather. So I have an image of a baking pan. So I'm uploading a silicone baking mat, so that will be useful for our video. A silicone baking mat, okay? So from the avatar, it looks so realistic that he is a chef or a baker, perhaps in the kitchen, so the image fits well, okay? So here, you choose the action, okay? So you can choose the action depending on what you want it to do, or you can leave it at auto to match the action, which is preferably. But if you don't want that, you can actually choose any of these options that are available here. So you're going to leave it at auto prompt, auto actions, and then for prompt, you need to paste in the script that what you want the avatar to do, the action you want the avatar to perform. Here is where you type it out. So for this video, we're going to be using the feature available here, which is auto AI prompt. Okay, so It is asking for a reference media added, a commercial prompt to be generated from it. So because of what we added a picking mat. Okay, so click on Start Smart Optimization. You see AI is thinking, so this is a good feature. Okay, so it says, if you enjoy baking at home, this mat makes prep feel a lot cleaner and easier. It is a blue non-stick style mat with measurement markings and guide circles, perfect for rolling outdoor and shaping pastries. It keeps the surface neater while you work. Cleanup looks simple. So you just go ahead and click confirm if you like the prompt that I gave you, or you can click on regenerate for it to regenerate the prompt for you. So I will go ahead with this. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to generate voice. Okay, so you click on generate voice and it will generate the voice of the avatar that you chose. It says audio generated successfully. So next thing you do is to choose the output style. Okay, so you can choose landscape or you can choose this. So let's go ahead with this. Okay, so that is okay. So you just click on generate. You're going to use 8.5 credits to generate this video. Okay, so it should be ready in 4 minutes. It should be ready in 4 minutes, and after 4 minutes you have your marketing video. You can download it from there. So let's speed it up and wait for 4 minutes. So our video has been generated, so let's go ahead and play it.
If you enjoy baking at home, this mat makes prep feel a lot cleaner and easier. It's a blue non-stick style mat with measurement markings and guide circles, perfect for rolling outdoor and shaping pastries. It keeps the surface neater while you work, and cleanup looks simple too.
Okay, so that is the video. You can actually make it better if you want. Change the audio and all that. If you want to download it, click here and download. So that is basically how to use this platform. You can try out the other features, lip sync, and so much more other features that they have here. It is a great platform and you would definitely enjoy it. If you love this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Click the link on the description to sign up first on Nextify AI. When you sign up, you receive 30 free credits, plus another 30 credits after starting your first generation task. After sign up, log into your dashboard.